Hello, fifth graders. Mrs. Fernandi here. Are you ready for your second lesson this week on the schwa sound? Hopefully you've given it some thought and done a little bit of practicing since last we were together. And now you're ready for even a little bit more about it. So I'm going to open up here and we are going to go here from the current slide. So where is the schwa sound? We're going to practice listening for it today. So you are there at home listening to me. I want you to try to really be participating as much as possible, even though we can't be in the same space. So attach, attach. Where's the schwa? First syllable, attach, attach, right? So there we go, there's one of them, that's short. And I think I said that last time. There are lots of times when if we start a word with an A, like afraid, again, attach, attract. That's that, that's a really good one to think about when you're trying to remember what does a schwa sound like? Is some of those words like again. That's not saying again, we're not at, the cat is not at the chair, it's a schwa, again. So let's keep going, arrive, right, arrive. So we hear that schwa in the first syllable, spelling it with an A. Elephant, L. L in my first syllable, I can hear the the cat is at the edge of the chair. Hear that short E really clearly. L, there's the schwa, do you hear it? Fent, which is more like an A. Really, we can, oops, that third syllable is also elephant. Fant. I don't say fant. It's sometimes hard to tease it out. So we can actually hear a schwa both in the second syllable and in the third syllable. In the third syllable, it's spelled like an A, and in the second syllable, it's spelled with an E. Some people say elephant. Some people say elephant. I say elephant. I say it with the schwa. Command. Now in the second one, mand, in the second syllable, I can hear the A, the short A sound really clearly. Command. I hear schwa in the first, and we are spelling it with the letter O. Got it? Okay, let's do a little bit more practice and then we'll practice writing them. This depends how you say this word, envelope, or do you say envelope? Depends. Where is the schwa? Second syllable, envelope. Either, whether you say envelope or envelope, you hear it in the second syllable, envelope or envelope. Both times I can hear it in that second syllable. I can hear the schwa sound right here spelled with an E. Recognize, recognize. Where do you hear it? Recognize. Hear very clear E in the first syllable, very clear long I in the third syllable. Second syllable, we can hear it. Recognize. It's like saying, my stomach hurts. It's a little bit what a schwa does, and it's spelled, of course, with an O. Even. Oh, that one's too easy because E in the first syllable, open syllable with a long E, van. There's that sound, there's the schwa. Second syllable spelled with an E. Magnet, magnet, I can't even say magnet. We don't say magnet, but we hear a short A sound in the first syllable very clearly, magnet. And so of course, our second syllable is where we're gonna find our schwa and we're gonna spell it with an E. Collect. Now, thinking about that second one, lect. I can hear that short E sound very clearly. Can you? The cat is at the edge of the chair. Collect. There it is. But there it is. It's our schwa at the first syllable spelled with an O. Okay, we're going to stop sharing and I would like you to take out a pencil, your notebook, and really let's work on practicing writing our schwas because it's so important to know which way to spell it. So we're just going to do a ton of practicing today. We have a little extra time on our hands because schwas really take a lot of practice. So I'd like you for your first word to write the word, sorry, buffalo again. Let's just do buffalo again. Buffalo, buffalo. I can hear buff very clearly, that short U sound. It doesn't sound like a short A, does it? Low, and we can hear that. Open syllable, long O. Okay, I'm sorry, let me just back my page up here. Ooh, this is a tough one, and this one you really want to know. We use this word a lot, immediately. So first, let's sound out by syllables. Im, me, di, ut, Lee. Wow, that's 5 syllables. Once I get over to my other shoulder, 5-syllable word. So let's do the first syllable, im. Go ahead and write it. I'm going to put the little spacer. You don't have to. Me. That's that's an open syllable with a long E. That one's pretty easy. Immedi. Now, this sounds like this, but we are actually going to use an I in this case. Immedi. It's kind of a funny one. Open syllable, long E sound, but spelled with an I. I'll have to get back to you on why. Now, this is the hard part. That's the schwa. We're going to spell it A-T-E. We're going to do that. A consonant E. Immediate. There's immediate. But if we want to add the li on, that's the easiest part. Our 5th syllable is li, L-Y. Long E sound at the end of a word spelled with the letter Y. Polysyllabic word. How about the word opposite? First syllable, pause. And then here we have sit, spelled with a short I instead of a long I. It's spelled with a long I, long I spelling, but it's a short I. You can hear that schwa in that second syllable. All right, let's do blankets. Blanket. There's our blank. Yeah, blanket. Nope, let's do it there. Blanket, cut. Do you hear the schwa there? Blanket. Yeah, blanket is how we're going to spell it. Sometimes when I want to spell something, I'll really try to sound it out and find the actual short vowel that's supposed to be there, like blanket. Okay, let's do cotton. Cotton. Cot. There's our first syllable, ton. There's our schwa spelled with an O, right? Okay. Let's do the word, let's just for practice. Let us do the word let's. So there's our let, apostrophe to take the place of U and then S. So let's go to the park. Let us go to the park. Nice. Let me turn my page. Oh, here's one, balance. Balance. Bow. That ants sound, it sounds like a schwa right there. Why do we have the E after the C? Because if it weren't there, if I cover it up or if I get rid of it, it would say bal-ank. Because the C means that E or I or Y after to say the sound like in snake. Okay, announce. That's where we have the beginning. Arrive, again, we often have the schwa sound at the beginning of a word spelled with the letter A. Ow, announce. Ow is O-U in the middle of that syllable. A noun, careful, make sure you hear that N and spell it. Announce. Am I done? Nope, I need that E at the end to make that sound at the end there. Magnet. Mag, we can hear that really easily. M-A-G. Net. There's our schwa. How are we going to spell the schwa? N-E-T. Nice job. Okay, now let's turn the page. Okay, how about depth? Depth. How many, what is this? Seals can dive to great depths. Depth. Short E, depth. That's a consonant. Digraph 2 consonants together making one sound, TH. And then, of course, just adding an S on there when we want to say more than one, like great depths. Okay, what about shopping? Shopping is easy. We're going to think about our base word first, shop. And we have a short vowel followed by one consonant. We're going to double that consonant before we add the ing. And value, value, val, I hear that short A sound. You, doesn't that look kind of funny? We need to add the E at the end, right? Yeah, I think so. I think that's a good idea. All right, let's see. Let's do, here we go. Okay, let's do the word command, command. That's our schwa sound at the beginning, spelled with an O. Mand is much easier. There's the word and, man, command. And let's just do a couple more. Let's do recognize. Recognize. I just want to get a couple more words in there. Dragon. How about dragon? Drag on. Drag on. First syllable is drag, easy to spell. Un is a schwa. Which vowel are you going to use? It's going to be O-N, dragon. Dragon is a great one for remembering that we have these schwas as well. How about advice? Ud, there's our schwa. Beginning schwa is often an A. Vice. Am I done? Have the E there at the end to make the C say S instead of K. Yeah? All right. That's probably plenty for you for now, but I will say please practice for your test, which is just a couple of days away. Oh, no, it's tomorrow actually. So practice for your test, really think about those schwas. When do you hear them? And it's more difficult. Which vowel do you use to spell the schwa in different situations? Okay, see you tomorrow for your test.